Hi, this is Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Morning Glory Master Essence. Our Morning Glory Master Essence is really good for inspiring hope, motivation, inspiration, and helping you to get up in the morning. It's also something that we would recommend for working with if you're trying to break habits or cut through patterns of resistance and just feeling more inspired and joyful. Really good for healthy communication and working with groups and bringing more harmony in your communities, families, friend circles, etc. When you work with it, working with it first thing in the morning, over your face, head, temples, neck, back of your skull. I like to lift my hair and spray the back of my skull, along the spine, anywhere where you can use a little rejuvenation first thing in the morning. Also really great for the midday doldrums and just throughout your day to uplift and inspire. So that is our Morning Glory Master Essence. Thank you very much.